Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nicholas Reed YouTube channel. Today, we got this beautiful Yardman 139cc overhead valve. 22-inch cut that's bigger than average. But let's spray some PB Blaster in there. Oh, it's right there. And let's see if this thing will start. Very good for it. It's gonna be very smoky in here. We love that. Good for you. Good for our lungs, everything. Gotta clip this mic on. Pull the start, no really. Nothing. All right, cameraman, let's check out our gas. All right, so if you get over here, no, you can't see that. Whoo, does that smell bad. Let's check our oil. But now let's check our oil. 10W30, really tells you. So hopefully no idiots mess this thing up. It smells decent. But what is this thing? This thing's a front wheel drive. Transmission. This thing has transmission. We could bang shift this thing. Thing sounds like a locked up piece of crap, but let's remove those bolts. Dude, this is easy to work on. Holy crap, this thing's easy to work on. Why do I look like I can barely use a ratchet?
I don't know. You suck at working and stuff?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, we both drive for it. Oh, cameraman got his driver's license.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I still don't have mine yet. It's not that I'm bad, that I'm young. Please don't touch. Holy crap, dude. This is also a weird gas tank design. Never really seen something like this. Now, that was a absolute pain. That was like the worst hose clamp and fuel tank design ever. You know, we should do some actual diagnosis once we get this carburetor off and see if this thing even has compression. Do we think it does? Yes. Okay. We bet yes that it has compression. If this thing runs, we are beating on it. There is sludge in the carb. That is freaking disgusting. I don't think that's supposed to be there. All that sludge and stuff. You know, don't follow my lead ever. You know, we know what we're doing.
Do we?
Yes, we do. That's at least what we want to show, that we know what we're doing. There! That is completely bent up. Now there's more. Okay, that's a gasket. Okay, now it's another pain. 30-year-old hose clamp. That's coming, that's gotta come off somehow. Just bent it, whatever. Didn't even move, didn't even try to move. Okay, let's see if I can get at this somehow. There, that popped it. Please move, unlike the other one. Oh, it actually moved. Saw that? Oh, that's so nice when it actually moves. What the frick? All right, come on. Now let's pop off. There, off. Ooh, still some fuel in there. That is a cheap Chinese carburetor. So my thing was right that someone was in this. Should we do a compression test? Yes, I'll take that as a yes. This is the bane of the earth. These frickin' metal, these guys, pain. Oh, and there's some, oh, that's sheathing. Oh, our spark plug's rusted too. That's always a good sign. Impactor out a little bit. Ooh, a little loose in there, whatever, it's fine. Rusted spark plug's always a good thing. And at least the cylinder head's easy. We could just pull the head right here while we're here. Think that sounds okay, cameraman? To pull the head while we're here? Should we do that as part of a video or no? Because I don't have a head gasket, no. Well, if this thing doesn't run, you can expect a part 2. That is a little oily. We'll reuse it. This is also, I think a cheap Amazon spark plug that you get in a kit. Like everyone's seen those kits on Amazon where you get a carburetor and a spark plug. Yep. This is a torch. Never heard of that. I'm gonna guess this is from a cheap Amazon kit. All right, let's throw a compression tester in there. Let's throw, you can actually learn a lot from me and cameraman, but I don't think we do anything the correct way. We know a lot. Do we do it correctly? No, unless it's the customer stuff, because I actually want to get paid money. Like, this is no one's. This is gonna be scrap, or if it runs, then we sell them.
This is mine.
Yeah.
That I gave him. Such a kind guy.
Because you're like, it will never run.
I never said that. I just had too many.
We can't even compression test. We gotta put the frickin' pull start back on.
I know, that's why I said. Why I said. These ones?
No. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
You filming this? No, look at how I'm pull starting.
Putting it out.
Oh wait, it actually just pops back on. I didn't think it was going to. Ooh, that doesn't sound good.
75.
Okay, that's good. That means this thing has a compression release, and I probably just destroyed this by just going. Whatever.
That's staying in.
No, that's not. So I just made a discovery. There's a little bit of rust in the cylinder. I can see some either PB Blaster or rust in the cylinder. I just pulled out some of the surface and scale.
You did just put PB Blaster in the cylinder, so.
But it shouldn't be that orange. Like it was bad, and there's some scale. Hopefully it's just the PB Blaster. Our compression test, as you saw, was 75, and that is good for a compression release motor. And let's take off this carb and see some carnage. All right, ready? Let's see how disgusting this cheap Chinese carb sat. Oh, that is like mustard. All right, ready? Bolt off. I see some yellow already. Oh, holy crap. That is disgusting.
Replay right here. That was yellow.
That is disgusting.
That was orange.
Oh my God, look at the jet. Oh, holy crap. That is a strong smell. All right, let's pull our needle out. Dude, even the frickin' float. Oh, there's rust on the tip of that needle. Dude, the needle seal is just gone. Look at that. And I just changed the ultrasonic cleaner fluid and put nice fluid in it because I was running nice carburetors through it. Now I gotta run a frickin' disgusting one through it, and there's gonna be dirt at the bottom again, and I gotta knock everything over trying to move it again. Frickin' my life, I guess. Oh, I did break this, I think. Yeah, because you didn't cut anything out.
I only have like 3 minutes that we have to cut out.
Do you want to do the running it to him? All right, so cameraman will be taking this freaking disgusting carburetor. If you saw that, I should do a slow-mo replay of that if you got that completely, of the freaking mustard spilling all over. If you got that actually a good camera angle. This jet is a small jet. I forgot it's a tiny motor. Let's restart that. But let's see if we can get some of this sludge out of this carburetor, because this is freaking nasty. So we're probably gonna disassemble this carburetor and we'll get back to you when we put in the ultrasonic cleaner.
All right, we got the carb all taken apart. Now we're gonna go run it through the ultrasonic cleaner. As you can see, this thing is filthy. So we'll see you when we're at the ultrasonic cleaner and get this thing looking mint.
Look how freaking clean that fluid is. I just replaced it, and now we gotta put this dirty piece of crap in. And the jet is rusted closed, but that jet is rusted closed.
Yeah, it's a cylinder.
I tried to spray PB and picks and cleaners through it, didn't even do anything.
So I was told, don't lose this. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna chuck this. So we're gonna put that in there. Then we have this fancy little case thing, if I can figure out how to open it.
And the lights in here flicker, by the way.
So you take this out, put your jet in there, so then you don't lose it. And voila, then it's not floating around the bottom.
All right, now we're just gonna set the time to 5 minutes because we don't have all day. And it's already warm because I recently did a carb. So annoying to listen to, but we'll be back. Now this is just me filming this. Cameraman is doing something right now, but I have low faith in this running. I hate to break it to everyone, but that jet was completely rusted shut. And this video is gonna be a lot of editing, so I'm probably gonna cut this part out. But that jet was completely rusted shut, and I have no clue if this thing's gonna run. And this disassembled, like this is freaking nasty, dude. And there's like a little bit of rust in there, and I don't know, overall odds for this thing running is pretty low. I did have this thing fire one singular time before we even started filming. One singular time, one puff of white smoke, and then shut off. So this thing running, I believe, are kind of low. Let me get out of the light, but let's see if we can pull through and get this thing running. All right, so this jet is completely rusted, and the smallest drill bit we could find was a 5/16. That's how you bigger jet your your freaking lawnmower. Do we think this thing's gonna run now? No. It's actually kind of hyped me up. Holy hole.
There goes the drill.
The drill bit broke. These are our fancy drill bits too. That's freaking great.
Not anymore.
Now I gotta buy my parents new fancy drill bits, but you're right, not anymore. All right, oh, there's freaking still metal shavings. That's good for it, right?
Character.
Yeah, it adds a lot to it.
Can you move so I'm not blinded by the lights?
Yeah, but those metal shavings in there add character, hopefully. Oh, I didn't clean the emulsion tube. Actually, I did clean the emulsion tube. Let's get everything in there, and let's wrap this up before cameraman has to depart. I lost the freaking, oh, there's the spindle, okay. I was gonna say, I lost the spindle, this whole video scrap. That would have been a bad day. I've lost the spindle before. I kicked one on accident while I was ultrasonic cleaning a customer's lawnmower, and I was like, well, I guess I got a rebuild kit. This is all just rust in this bowl. This is freaking disgusting. Let's see if we can get at least some of it out just with a hand wipe. So we'll let you guys know if drilling out your guys' lawnmower to 5/16 works or it floods it and it blows up.
5/16, that's almost half.
What? Well,
5/64.
No.
5/16.
Go read the size on the thing. It was the second drill bit.
5/16. 5/64. 5/16 is almost half.
My bad.
That whole thing is maybe 5/16.
My bad. Mr. Know-It-All over here. Well, I guess we drilled it out to...
Have you ever seen our grades compared?
What do you mean our grades compared? I don't know what you're talking about.
You just told me know-it-all.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Okay. All right. All right, let's, I feel like we're missing a gasket. I hate these with the frick. Oh, I forgot I bent the crap out of that arm. This is freaking disgusting. This is nasty, dude. This is like one of the worst, like, nice lawnmowers I've worked on.
Nice.
Like, it's a nice mower, but it's like a piece of crap. Ooh, see? Like, what the frick? Like, what does that guy go in there? Like, you see what I'm saying? There. That was so much easier. There. We're almost done. So, this video... Oh, I think I broke the spring. I did.
Hey, just like the last one.
Every video I'm gonna break a spring, aren't I?
Maybe that's why the other one doesn't run anymore.
Don't mention that. We actually fixed that one up super nice, you know, right?
Sure.
Where's the hole? Oh, right there. That's why I broke it. I didn't even get it in. Dude, I hate... Oh, I just put my knee in varnish. And my nice pants that aren't stained.
Huh?
No, these are my nicer pants. Even the cameraman can vouch. These are my nicer. This is just because the hood latch cut me.
Out of his pants, yes, these are nicer.
This is why I wore them.
These are my nice pants too, but they're also my old ones that are too small for me.
Okay, we don't need to know about your pant size, okay?
Actually.
Shut up. All right. We're almost there to see if it's going to run. Ugh. Hopes.
We just upgraded it.
Ugh.
So now it's better for like thinner air or thicker air or whatever it is.
Thinner.
Thinner.
Do we live? We don't live in a thin air place.
We'll just say Minnesota identifies as fat and all of a sudden it is. That's how this world works nowadays.
Yeah, Minnesota identifies as thin air. I don't know. We did that. There. Now I got that on. Oh, I don't know what that's from. Don't ask me. All right.
You have so much editing.
I know, because you just keep filming. So I'm grabbing the impact because I'm so tired of hand screwing. And let's get this back together. Impact's on low speed. 2 ugga-duggas means tight. On the Harbor Freight old impact. And my knees are now freaking soaked in varnish. That one I stripped. I stripped that one. Where did the gas tank go?
Oh, okay. Actually, I don't know.
Oh, right here.
There it is.
This is the worst gas tank design in human history, by the way. I hate it with a passion. But let's get it back. Like, who designs this stuff half the time nowadays?
What's with lawnmowers, with hard lawnmowers with spacers?
I don't know, man.
Yeah, neither do I.
It's such a pain.
Isn't that supposed to go somewhere?
What? Yeah, it broke off.
That's fine.
That's the breather.
Who needs that?
Because it needs to use that to run.
Who said it's gonna run?
Well, we gotta abuse the crap out of this thing first and then scrap it.
Let us know in the comments if we should drain the oil
And then run it.
and zip tie the handle down and see how long, both, to see how far it'll go before it blows up.
I think we should, if this thing runs.
It deserves it. It's
Honestly.
upjetted and everything as well. It's like a high performance carburetor.
Yeah, high performance. Freaking Timu special carburetor, by the way.
Oh yeah.
I think we're missing a bolt too.
Yeah, it's fine.
Right here.
Yep.
All right, so now we're in the end game, everybody. We're getting the spark plug back in. We got the crappy gas tank back on, and we're not gonna film much after this because my phone's gonna die again. Why is this such a common theme? But cameraman, let's go fill up the gas. I'm gonna button everything up. Let's go. Running and this thing is dangling over my head. We just got it running and this thing is right next to my head, but I missed it. This thing runs like a diesel. Let's go start her up. There is zero startability on this at all. And I don't know if you can see anything, but you just shoot some down the intake, some pure gas down the intake, push her in. Pull the choke. Now there's nothing. There! No!
Going so slow. I don't know how she's staying on it right now.
What the frick? This is the slowest it's ran.
That's the slowest idle.
I wonder if we blew it up. We did a test one, and it just shut off. It was running strong and then just shut off.
Holy cow, it's cool too.
We might have blown it up.
She is knocking.
There's a little bit of knock.
A little bit.
I can feel each fire.
It sounds like there's a hammer hitting on the inside of it. Oh yeah. Look at your lawnmower.
Let's see how much torque it has.
Oh yeah.
Why is the torque helping it? It doesn't like it.
You don't like it at all.
We made a diesel lawnmower.
Hell yeah! You will burn out.
Oh! You have to,
That's all she wrote.
you have to freaking jump start it. Ready? Let's see if we can get it to go. There's zero startability. I think that's all she wrote.
Whoa.
So you just watched us make a diesel lawnmower at home. Do not drill out your jets. It turns into this. Let's see. Let's see if she'll even. Oh, it likes PB Blaster. I don't know where we put it. It likes PB Blaster. It likes anything that's like. It likes anything that's not super volatile.
Oh yeah, first goal.
And look, you gotta jump start it. Well, diesel lawnmowers. Maybe we should do more modifications, see if we can actually get this thing running, or do we blow it up next video? It's knocking pretty hard. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. It's very different. But we should try running this on some new fuels next time. So maybe we could get some diesel, some paint thinner, and run it on that. Or whatever you guys want to see, just comment. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.